Hey guys, 2021 has been a pretty rough start, to say the least. It was another rough day in the markets. Let's see what fears were brought into the market today to cause another sell-off. Russia, Ukraine, or something else? Let's take a look, guys, at today's stock market news. Spin the roulette, and today's bad news is weak bank earnings. As you can see here, the U.S. stocks drop amid wave of bank earnings reports. Specifically, was mostly Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo probably had the worst report, and I'm not a fan of him, but I think that Kramer said it best. I'll pull up a video for you guys so you can see what he had to say about Wells Fargo. They are kind of using the Russia-Ukraine war as a cop-out, and it was kind of just embarrassing. Take a look.
Mike, the club owns Wells. We're up huge on it. I was disappointed. I was disappointed because I don't want to hear from Charlie Scharf that America's National Bank has a Ukraine problem. I don't want to get the JP. I said last night on Mad that I felt that JP Morgan was very forthcoming about Ukraine. I did not expect Scharf because Scharf has no real European exposure.
Reasons for the stock market to keep falling is the 10-year Treasury went up to multi-year highs. I believe it went up to 2.83. Was it 2.83? Yeah, 2.83. So that's some more negative news in case we didn't have enough. But there was more news. So another big issue is the 30-year fixed rate keeps jumping up. It spikes down, it spikes up. I believe it was down for 2 straight days, the past couple of days, but it spiked up once again to 5.15. There's another one of those issues that people are considering that we could be in a big, massive housing bubble. And if the housing market crashes, you can bet the stock market's going to follow it, much like 2008 during the financial crisis. So this is something a lot of people are monitoring. Every time this spikes up, the 30-year fixed, you better believe it's going to be another red day for the stock market. Of course, our daily stock market news wouldn't be complete without our daily Elon news. Elon news, which we had predicted. If you guys saw my previous video, I said that I believe Elon Musk is actually just going to end up buying Twitter overall. I said about a week ago that he should just buy out Twitter. And I think the big issue if he does buy it out, just like headlines and whatnot in mainstream media would probably have an issue with it, and it would cause Tesla stock to go down. But he's using his own capital to buy this particular company in Twitter, and I believe he wanted to buy it for about $54.20 a share, which would roughly be about $43 billion. Not sure what the bigger plan for Elon is once he acquires Twitter, but he did actually post a poll in his Twitter post on his social media saying that taking Twitter private for $54.20 should be up to the shareholders, and he got a lot of positive feedback on that. This is another one of those latest moves by Elon Musk that has been very vocal for the past couple of weeks on the whole Twitter and freedom of speech movement. So yeah, this is another bit of news that happened today, probably other than the market going down, probably the biggest piece of news once again in the stock market for today. Thanks for watching Fast Market News, everyone. If you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing, commenting, or even liking the video. I'll see you guys next time. Take care, everyone.